What's good? What's good? And welcome back to Investing with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Good morning from Canada. So, guys, we came up to our $1.37, the golden ratio, and we've been hitting it as resistance. So, we're going to get into that. Currently, we're up about 12% on the day. Currently sitting in a market cap 8.61 billion, 24-hour volume 1.56 billion. So, let's hop into it, guys. So, we're going to start here. Actually, I wanted to start on the weekly chart. So we're here on the weekly chart, and there's one thing I wanted to make you guys aware of. Now, please remember, this is my opinion. It's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So if we were to come down to that $1 to $1.05 range, I think that could very well be our bottom if we were to drop that low, because Bitcoin has been showing some signs of reversal, some indicators and some chart patterns here. And if we do come down to that $1 to $1.05, we'd be coming right back to the 20 EMA. And that could be a super strong level of support. It's just something I want to make you guys aware of. It doesn't mean that that's what's going to play out, but I think that would be a very, very strong level of support before we see this reversal back to the upside here. So we're here on the daily chart, and you can see we are above the 55 EMA here, and we hit resistance at that $1.42, which is the 0.5 in the Fibonacci, and we may find resistance, continue to hit resistance and start to roll. You can see we're already at $1.33 here, and we may find some resistance along here, along the 20 EMA. It would be crucial for us to get back above the 20 EMA on the daily if we were to see. That would be a strong sign of a reversal in the trend, and we start to trend back upwards here. So we're going to jump over into the 4-hour chart. So I've drawn this falling wedge pattern here on the 4-hour. You can see one touch, two touch. Well, we got basically have two touch there, three touch, and then you have one touch. You always want to have three touches, guys. Two touch, three touch. Now, a falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern where the price squeezes and then you break out to the upside. You back test it as support and you start to break out. Now, if we do come down to that dollar to $1.05 range, we would be squeezing into our falling wedge here. So you'd measure your breakout from the body, and depending on where you break out here, maybe we break out, let's say we break out here, that would bring us all the way up to about $2.15. If we were to break out lower down here, that would bring us up to about $1.90. So that would be the reversal in the trend if that were to play out. All right, guys, it's just a pattern I wanted to make you guys aware of. So let's open it up here and I'll show you guys what I'm seeing. So you can see how much resistance we hit on the golden ratio at that $1.37 that we talked about in yesterday's video. Resistance, which signifies to me that we're going to roll over. And I talked about yesterday how crucial it is to get back above the golden ratio and to break the 0.786 at $1.43 to show a true sign of reversal. I'm actually going to show it to you guys here with the Fibonacci from this swing low up to this swing high to give you your levels of resistance, because we bounced here, so you'd pull it out. And you can see here, here's the golden ratio, guys, and you can see how much resistance we hit. We came up, we didn't quite make it up, but what happened is we hit some resistance and we rolled, and now that's what we're seeing right now. So I'm going to put the Fibonacci back so you can see the golden ratio, resistance, and we're rolling. So your levels of support here, guys, if we break from $1.33, which is the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, we have this level here, $1.28, and then we have $1.23, and then of course we had our bottom here at about $1.16. This looks like what is playing out. You can see we're starting to roll, but I always like to give you guys both scenarios. Even if it's looking like it's more bearish than bullish, I'll always give you both scenarios, because there's always a possibility. Sometimes what happens is you have descending volume, and then the volume basically squeezes, descends, and then you have that breakout. I'll show it to you guys here. So where's a good example here? Yeah, you can see it here. See descending. Well, let me pull this out here. Right here as well, descending volume, and then boom, breakout, huge amount of volume step in right here, descending volume. And we've been having descending volume, as you can see here, for quite some time, and that usually signifies that we're going to see a breakout sooner than later. I think we will see a breakout within the next week to 2 weeks towards the upside for Bitcoin. And of course, we'll pull the rest of the market with it. However, right now for Matic, you can see we are having a bit of that roll over here. Now we may form a bit of a bullish flag. Let me pull it out here. If we do roll, and let's say maybe we come down to $1.33 and we hold support, or we come down to $1.28, we may see a bit of a bull flag pattern play out here. So if you were to see us start to break above, we came down and we started to break above and turn it back and back test it as support. If we came out top, we back tested as support, then you could draw your candle, or you could draw your flagpole here from your breakout, and that could be a beautiful sign of a reversal in the trend as well. It's a possibility, guys, as I was seeing that on the 4-hour chart. So I'll quickly put it onto the hourly here. All right, so we're here on the 1-hour chart, and you can see right now we're trying to hold that support of $1.43. We've hit resistance, resistance, resistance along the golden ratio, and we've fallen back underneath the EMA. So if we lose that $1.33, if we don't hold that as support, we have $1.28. You can see here previous swing high, and then we have the $1.23 and the $1.16. Now, and then we have the bullish scenario, guys. If we see that volume come in, we break through that $1.37 and we head up towards that $1.43. That would be a beautiful sign, because we'd also be breaking out of this falling wedge here. If we were to back test that as support, then that would be a clear sign that we're going to break out. We've reversed the trend here. We'll head up to that $1.64. But as of right now, we're rolling resistance, resistance. So if we lose that $1.33, we come down to $1.28, $1.23. Now, if we quickly pop open Ethereum, we can see a couple doji candles, which means the buyers and the sellers are equal, and that signifies a breakout. And usually it's a trend reversal, guys. So if you see us start to break out towards the upside, would be crucial for us to get back above the EMA. I'm going to make a separate video here on Ethereum, just because I don't want to make my Polygon videos too long, and it's much easier for me to only analyze one coin, one chart at a time. But I just wanted to show you guys these doji candles, because that is a sign of a trend reversal here. So a doji candlestick forms when a security's open and close are virtually equal for the given time period, and generally signals a reversal pattern for technical analysis. Generally, guys, it's not promised, but let's open some images here so we can show you guys. So you can see here you have your doji candle, and then you have reversal. You have your doji, reversal, doji, and then reversal. All right, guys, and we have double doji here for Ethereum, doji, so we could see that reversal. It's not promised, guys. If we look at Ethereum on the 4-hour, you can see we're still hitting resistance on the EMAs. But I'm going to make a separate video for Ethereum, because I don't want this video to be too long. Please tune into the Ethereum video, because it's super crucial, as it is one of the master energies along with Bitcoin, especially for Polygon, because they move very closely together. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you're new, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members strong. Price of a coffee, great way to support the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.